Hey traders, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little different. I'm pretty sure you guys have never seen me demonstrate the EA like this before. So this video, I just want to show what I'm doing to send the trades in the Telegram. And this is also a reference video to any of the students that are using or are thinking about using the PIP EA because that's available for you guys as well. So I'm just gonna go through, show how I'm taking these trades, and at the end of the week I'm gonna go through and go over these trades so we can just see how it took the trades on these major currency pairs. So you can see at the bottom here I have AU, EU, GU, can't see the other ones, NU, UCAD, U Swiss, U Japanese yen, and then I have to have this one random pair on because this is what's sending the trades to the actual Telegram. So I don't think I have to show any of the settings here. These are just the settings for this pair here. Just send it to the Telegram. It's completely irrelevant. But what I do for the time frame, so I'm going to go through, I look at the weekly, and this is very similar to the previous video I just put out about the weekly analysis, how I get the trend from the weekly time frame, and then I go down on the lower time frame and just look for trades to enter from there. So like this one here, we have this, I believe I did say this was bullish. We have a resistance there. Okay, so I'm not going to leave the resistance there. I'm just going to go on to lower time frame. And I know that next week is supposed to be a bullish week. I'm going to add support there, right? So it looks like when the market opens, we will take a trade there. Do we have any others? I'm going to delete this. Let's move this here actually. And this one can get deleted. And then on top of that, I'm going to go through and update the settings for the PIP EA. So just to send the EA over to, not send the trades over, but how are we actually looking to take trades? So this is going to be set to long only. I don't want to be setting up for a bunch of different other things. And then the other settings in the inputs, those are stop losses, minimum stop losses, trailing stops, things just like that. So I'm going to go through, I'm just going to put that in, and it's only going to take long order trades in this. So if we get a red candle that falls right through, I'm not going to enter in a sell trade because of that. Sure, that is the clean setup to take a sell trade, but I'm trying to go with the main trend as always, right? So bullish trades from the 4 hour only in the direction of the weekly time frame. So here we're going to do the same thing. We have the bullish approach on EU as well. So let me update these lines, grab this. We can put this one here. Something like this. Let's go like this. We can go like this for the bottom, and then I would just leave this like this. I'm going to make sure that this is on buy only. Okay, so that's good. Let me check this out real quick. Okay, super duper awesome. Next one, GU. So we had bullish vibes on this one too. I'm gonna just update any of these support and resistance areas. Let's go like this. Can we put another one in here? We can go like this. And then we got a super duper tiny one. Right here. So make sure this is on buy only, right? I only want to send buy order trades. Boom. This one here, we were bearish. So go here. Want to make sure this is sell only or short only. And rearrange these. So these are only going to be resistances at this point. they're not going to be, none of them are going to be stop losses. I mean, sorry, none of them are going to be supports. They're all resistances because I'm looking to sell. Boom, and let's delete this. Oh, my bad. So I'm going to leave these lines in so we can look to sell here. Here we are on UCAD, and I believe this was a bullish week that we're looking for next week because of the weekly candle, right? We're getting, if you just go back to the pit breakdown video for this week, yesterday's video, I went through and I explained why we're looking for bullish ideas on UCAD. If we miss out this week, we just miss out, and it's life. It's not a big deal. We'll just catch the next opportunity. So I'm going to go through, delete these. We got this as support, and I'm going to add another support. So the reason why I'm looking for supports is because of the higher time frame. I'm only looking to buy, and I'm only looking to buy. So once we get a green candle in here, we're going to be taking off to the upside. And that trade gets automatically sent over to the Telegram because of this EA here called the MT4 Telegram Signal Provider. Okay, so USD Swiss, I believe we are bearish on this. So make sure this says short only. Beautiful, that's last week's bias as well. And let me just take some of these lines. I only really want 3. Let's go like this. So we are at our first area of support. If we fail to close below, then we're going to keep going back up to the upside. I'm going to mark off this area of last week's high actually. And then last area that I'm going to mark off is this support area here. Boom. And we're just going to see how price reacts to these areas. If price gives us no reaction, we get no trade. Simple as that. Last but not least, Japanese yen. Like I said, we're getting a bullish vibe on this because we're rejecting this strong support. Okay, we're rejecting this very strong support, so we're looking to take a bullish trade on this. Delete these 4 hour. Where do we have supports? We have support here. We have support here. Worst case scenario, well, we do have this down here. Worst case scenario, double bottom. And I think I'm not gonna mark this area off. I'm gonna just leave it, and I'm gonna make sure that this is taking trades on buy only. Boom. So this is all it really takes. That's all I really need to do, and I can close this and it saves and everything like that. I can go over here. Let's go save profile as and majors only. And really, this is just gonna, it's ready, everything's set. I have the EA turned on right here, and I also have a VPN connected to it, so even when I close everything down, it still operates and runs, which is really good. So that does its thing, and it's ready to send trades off to the Telegram. If you're not in the Telegram, guys, check the description below and make sure you get in. I do also want to mention, if you need help trading like many people do, I want to help you get closer, help narrow down that 96% failure rate Forex has, and get you guys making some more money. So check out the free course below. That's all I really got to say, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'll check you in the next video. Peace.